Hi everyone! So for today, we're going to cook kimchi and tofu soup. So we can find some ingredients from Karman Foods. First is the TAEKYUNG red chili powder, KIKKOMAN sesame oil, and KIKKOMAN less sodium soy sauce. So just visit www.karmanfoods.com. It is the #1 curated Asian food grocer. It is also the ultimate place for your Asian needs. We can provide Asian ethnic food ingredients and deliver it to your doorstep. We have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian ingredients. For the complete ingredients, we have here 1 teaspoon of TAEKYUNG chili powder, 1 tablespoon of KIKKOMAN sesame oil, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1/2 white onions diced, 1/2 cup of kimchi sliced into bite-sized pieces. We have here 1 1/2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of less sodium KIKKOMAN soy sauce, 1/4 cup of spring onions or green onions sliced, and 1 fresh egg. First, we need to heat a sauce pot over medium heat. And once the pot is hot, add the sesame oil. Stir the pan to spread the oil. Then, add the TAEKYUNG red chili powder. Add the garlic. And add the onion. Now, we saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until they are well combined and fragrant. So, just allow it to cook. Now, let's add the kimchi slices. Let's mix it with the onions for 1 minute. Now, let's pour the water. So, let's add 2 cups. And let's also add the KIKKOMAN less sodium soy sauce. So let's mix it and bring it to a boil. We can cover this pot first. Now that it's boiling, let's stir it again and lower the heat to low. And we can add the soft tofu now. Let's stir it again and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. We can cover it again. After 5 minutes, let's stir it again. We can season it with salt. And let's mix it again. Now we can add the egg. So this is fresh egg. And just allow it to cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's turn off the heat and sprinkle the green onions. That's it, and let's serve the soup in a bowl. Let's now serve the kimchi and tofu soup. So this kimchi and tofu soup is good for 2 to 4 serves. And we use different ingredients we can find in Karman Foods. First is the TAEKYUNG red chili powder. KIKKOMAN less sodium soy sauce, and KIKKOMAN sesame oil. So let's stir it first. It's very easy to make this kimchi and tofu soup. And let's add again the egg that we added a while ago. And sprinkle with more spring onions. You are ready to serve your kimchi and tofu soup. So we're ready to taste the kimchi and tofu soup. I'm very excited because it smells really good. Let's taste the soup first. The soup is really the soul of the food. It's really good. Now let's have a bite. The texture of the soup tofu matches the soup. It's really good. What's good about this recipe is that it is vegetarian. If you want it vegan, just remove the egg and add something else. Like for example, more kimchi, fried shallots. So that will be okay too. Our selection are constantly growing, and if you have any suggestions, please contact us at our website. I hope you get to try this special recipe. It's perfect for your cold night, for breakfast, for snacks. It's absolutely good. Thanks everyone!